Hey guys, Matt, Wicked Wrench Motorsports. I'm going to do just a simple video today. I see a lot of people that have problems doing a breather. This is a very simple breather. Goes from valve cover to valve cover. There, it's got the filter hidden back there behind the, or between the alternator and the throttle body. Basically, we just need a breather, K and N are equal. The emission parts, or the breather that comes off of what most of us get when we buy a pullout, looks like this. So we're just going to cut that off. We only need the 90, and then we need a piece of vent hose, 5 3/8 and 13 3/8. Make sure that it is an emission hose so that it's oil and fuel vapor proof, and you won't have a problem with it. And then just a T. And again, I'll put the part numbers on, but you get them like this. You just cut it off. Don't need that. Throw it away. What I do is I just use assembly lube on them. Grab a paper towel. One on each side here. Like I said, this is just an easy, cheap, and it looks clean. I've seen so many different ways that people do them, and they just look so generic. Now this is for a non-emission setup. So non-emission, we'll just put this on here. If you do have emissions, then what you're going to do is you're just going to run the line here to your intake tube. Make sure when you put it in your intake tube, you put it between the throttle body and the mass airflow, so that it doesn't get oil all over your mass airflow and give you problems all the time. And then you just take it over. Make sure you route it under, nice and clean. Clip it on, go under and behind everything here to this side there, and then clip it on over here. Nice, simple, hidden, not a big obnoxious piece of hose going from side to side like I've seen so many. Anyway, there you go. Like, subscribe, and again, I'll put the part numbers in the description. Thanks.